How to change gender in Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Once you're on the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Bitmoji. Here you're gonna find your existing Bitmoji. Click on this option, Remove My Bitmoji. Click on Remove. Now click on the option Create My Avatar. Now you'll get the option to choose the gender. Select the option of your choice. Make sure your face is visible. Now click on Choose Outfit as your avatar is ready. Now you can go through these and then customize your avatar. And once you do that, you can click on Save. So this way you can easily change gender in Snapchat. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.